Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Hobby Outpost. We're going to do a couple 2019 Optic mega boxes today. I was debating on doing one of them, but I just decided to throw them both in the mix. We're going to rip right through two mega boxes with the red and yellow parallels real quick. I did the 2018 mega boxes and I really liked them, so I figured I'd try some 2019. I have not opened any of these this year. I did get the Marquise Brown in a trade, the red and yellow. It was close by, so I pulled it out with the Kyler, put it up there for some good luck maybe. But I'm just gonna get all the packs out real quick and we'll just get into them. Be 10 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. Lots of extra cardboard. Alright, so we're just going to put the boxes over there. Let's start on this pack here. I ended up ordering these, ordering them off of eBay. They were about $70 a piece, and I just got them last week or whatever. They just came in today, so just looking for some stuff to rip open. I thought this would be fun here. We're going to start off with a Zeke base. Alright, let's go. Should be lots of red and yellow parallels, maybe a couple hollows. Starting off with a Deebo Samuel, rated rookie. And a Ben Bonogwu. B-Pat said how to say his name one time on there, but I forget. Alright, keep going here. Got a hollow, Rocky Sin hollow, and a Noah Fant rated rookie. I believe there's memorabilia card in each one of these two. No chance at autograph cards, but there we go. Patrick Mahomes base. Another next red and yellow, Amani Hooker, red and yellow rookie, and a Travion Williams. Tony Pollard, red and yellow rated rookie, and Sean Murphy Bunting. Had a pretty good season. We got a hollow and an insert here. Sorry, hold on, I had to move my mic. Hollow, Bobby Wagner, and a Jimmy Garoppolo. It's the throwback, and a Jalen Hurd rated rookie. Jimmy Garoppolo, full name throwback, insert. I knew it would be a little bit longer of a video to do both mega boxes at the same time. But I just wanted to rip them both, so it was either do two separate videos today, Byron Murphy, or just do it as one. Well, that'd be pretty cool. Check it out. I opened two of these for 2018 and they were both really good, so I figured I had to try at least two here. Hopefully we get at least a couple good parallels. There's a Lamar Jackson. Got to get out the jar, 50 cents for the jar. There we go. Another Marquise Brown, red and yellow. Got two of them. I might have to send one of them to Bert. T.Y. Hilton and a Hakeem Butler rated rookie. Pack was sticking at the top. Next, red and yellow. Jamil Dean for the Bucks. And a Tyree Jackson. Alright, so this one's going to have our mem card in it. You can tell it felt a little thicker. Aaron Donald, rated rookie off the back. Ty Johnson. Bam. Red and yellow Drew Lock. Very cool. So we got a good mem card out of there. Happy with that. Red and yellow Drew Lock. Save that first box. Corey Davis. Although I did like picking up another Marquise Brown. Hunter Renfro, red and yellow. Alize Mack, rated, not rated rookie, base rookie. Josh Rosen. Insert of Mahomes. Elite Series, Patrick Mahomes. And a Daniel Jones, base rated rookie. There we go. Now we're starting to take off a little bit. Patrick Mahomes and Daniel Jones in the same pack. Josh Allen. Christian Wilkins. And a DeAndre Baker. Benny Snell, red and yellow rated rookie, and a Rodney Anderson. I think that's the mem, maybe. Hollow, Byron Murphy. So a hollow rookie here, Byron Murphy. Looks good. Cool looking card. And a Cadre Allison. Darius Leonard, Julio, and a Zach Allen, Taylor Rapp. So we got like 4 packs left. We'll do a quick subscriber exclusives, really just a giveaway recap. Make sure you're getting a comment down below for this month's giveaway. Drew Brees, and a Darrell Henderson, red, white, and blue. And a Clelin Ferrell. Ben Roethlisberger hollow. Dwayne Haskins, Elite Series rookie. Cool. Irv Smith. TJ Watt, Baker Mayfield, and a Drew Sample. Kelvin Harmon. Alright, last pack here with the mem card. Darnell Savage, Mike Evans, and then a Damian Harris, red and yellow. So I'd say 2018 was a little better for my 2 boxes, but you know, it's still fun. We got Drew Lock, Damian Harris mems, Daniel Jones base, Dwayne Haskins insert, and then we picked up another Marquise Brown, red and yellow. Alright, hang in there. I'm going to do the giveaway real quick. Talk about the giveaway. Alright, what's up my friends? We just got a quick subscriber exclusive here today. We got this is the giveaway going on for the month of July. I try to do monthly giveaways, and this supplies lot will be going out to one winner for the month of July. All you gotta do is leave a comment, be a subscriber, comment on any of the videos in the month of July to get a chance to win. But the more videos you comment on, the better your odds, because I take a random comment selection from each video, and put it into a finalist list on random.org, and then I'll get the winner. So we got some team bags, some penny sleeves, some regular top loaders, some 130 top loaders, and then I got 2 mags, a 35 point and a 130 point mag, one touch. So that'll be a one winner giveaway lot. Just make sure you're getting your videos in on any of the videos for the month of July. I also got a couple blaster boxes, 2020 Contenders and 2020 Bowman baseball. Those are $30 shipped if anybody's looking for something to rip open. I also picked up a Heritage baseball mega box. I can do that one for $40 shipped. So anywhere in the US, payments on PayPal. If you're interested in any of those, look me up on Instagram at Hobby Outpost. If you contact me there, we'll set up a quick payment and I'll get it in the mail ASAP. So appreciate y'all for tuning in. Stay tuned for some more content. Y'all have a blessed day.